expert. What is the deal with this?
What's the deal as far as what makes it so special?
Yes.
Okay. Well, first of all, the way that stove is made, we do have, what we feature is the black enamel finish, which is a non-porous,
Well, it's look at this, made in France.
Okay.
Fabulous. Tell about these dots.
Great, exactly. Besides the black enamel finish, which browns your meat and sautés, we have the self-basting spikes. Water driplets actually form on each one. The lid is actually flat and heavy. It acts almost as a pressure cooker.